Hi, everybody. I just wanted to go over how you can use this Google slide to write your procedure this week. I've just created a template, but you don't have to keep the template the same as the one I've created, so I'll show you some changes that you can make. So all I've done is I've just taken a regular Google slide and inserted some text boxes where you can type into. So the first one is up here. This will be your title. So I've just left it as how to, and then you can fill that in with whatever procedure you're going to teach. You can make this smaller or bigger depending on what your title is. You can also erase this text by clicking in the box and hitting delete or backspace and rewrite whatever you want it to be. Okay, so there's one text box up here. It is not outlined, so you just have to kind of click where the words are. Now, each procedure, even if it's a game or a recipe, it will have either ingredients or the materials that you will need to complete the procedure. So in this box over here, and I've made an outline so you can see the box clearly and colored it light gray, you can type the ingredients or materials required for the procedure you're writing about. You can also change the size of this box and the color. So if you have a really long list, you can make it longer. If it's a shorter list of materials, you can make it shorter. And if you don't like the background being light gray, you can come up to the little paint bucket, click on that. First of all, you have to have the text box selected for that, which I do. See my blue lines? And then you can click on the bucket and you can choose any color you like. Maybe you want to make it blue, and it will switch the color of the box for you. Finally, I have a really big text box over here. This is to write the steps to your procedure out in order. Again, just like the small ingredients or materials box, you can click on it. You can come up to the paint bucket and you can change the color of it, okay, to suit whatever you like, your preferences. And then you can also start to type in the box. So just click in the box to start to type. And let's say I'm going to write the number 1. And I notice that this typing looks a little small. I can actually go up and just get rid of that first and change the size of my typing. Okay, it's set at 14 right now. You can make that bigger if you want bigger. You can also change the type of lettering that you're doing by clicking on the font box. Right now it's set to Comic Sans, but you could set it to anything you like. Let's say you want to do bolder letters. Okay, and you can actually go ahead and type in something in the box. Let's see what this is. I'm writing this is a sample. Okay, so you can see what it looks like. Finally, the last thing that you can do is you might decide to add a picture to your slide like I did. To do that, you can go up to the word insert, click on that, choose image, and then if you have one in your computer, you can upload it. You could also search for an image. Let's say you were doing a procedure on how to blow a bubble with bubble gum. In my search box, I might look for bubble gum and search that. And then I might see a picture. This looks like a good picture because somebody's blowing a bubble, and insert it right onto my slide. All of the images that come up on your search in this way have been approved to be used for Google products. So you don't have to worry about copyrighted images like we do sometimes. Okay, so those are some examples of how you can use this slide template. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I can't wait to read your procedures. Have fun, guys!